Yes, in the next video I'm going to take viewers through how I explore this in the one-to-one sessions and reveal how it's possible to work with this hidden source and these dynamics.
So that people will be able to see for themselves some of the patterns in their own life?
Yes, they will, and also they'll get an idea of how it's possible to work with these patterns and dynamics.
That's great. And
the good news is that this is a dynamic that this cutting off is clearly a dynamic that we learned because of circumstances and self-protection mechanism, and because it is a dynamic learned, it can be unlearned, it can be changed. And to do so, we don't need to get in touch with it, we need to see what's happening. And in this way, it's like taking a lid off and coming back to recognizing our true heart, our true beauty. And it's a really touching process. It's a really powerful process, and it changes people's lives.